Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A16, and today I'll show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this phone. Now, I'll be completely honest, right now I only have a PIN lock, so to finish up the setup I'll need to provide the PIN, and or is there a Google account? And I'm wrong again. Let's see. Nope, there is actually a Google account. So anyway, as you can see, the device is locked. Now this is the setup process just a little bit further in, and if I go back you can see that. So anyway, to bypass this, we will need a single thing, which is a SIM card with a PIN on it. You don't need to actually know that PIN, it's just there to show up a little pop-up on the screen. So anyway, let's just pop that in. So as you can see, there is the PIN that appeared for it, and I believe we need to take it out. Let me just quickly check if that is... Yep, that's what we need to do. So we just pop it out. As you can see, it keeps us on a lock screen with this pop-up there, which now disappeared. So pop it back in, pop it back out, and from here you want to drag that pop-up down. This pulls down your notifications. Select the settings, and all we need to do is scroll all the way down to additional settings. You can scroll down to backup and reset and select erase all data factory reset right at the bottom, erase all data, and erase all data, and I guess again. Now this will begin a factory reset of the device. Now doing so through settings basically removes the screen locks and also Google accounts, so basically the device will now fully unlock itself. Now this will take probably like 5 minutes to finish up, and once it has, we'll be back in the setup screen, but like I mentioned, the device at that point will be fully unlocked. So just gonna let this run through and come back once it's finished. Okay, so as you can see, it's now completely finished, and we can go through the setup. So I'm gonna quickly skip through basically everything that I can. Again, SIM card is still out, so I can just completely take it out. It's not like it's needed anymore. And from here, let's select our region. Now one thing that I can do is skip Wi-Fi connection, which when the device is locked, you cannot. And as you can see, there we go. The setup is now completely finished and the device is fully unlocked. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.